Hola, buenos dias. My name is John. I'm going to be a sophomore in the School of Foreign Service, and welcome to Quito, Ecuador.
Here I am at the bus stop with my fellow Hoyas.
Hi! Hola!
Sierra, how are you liking the program so far? See, she passed the test. Here in Ecuador, we're not allowed to speak any English, so for 6 weeks, we have to speak in only Spanish. Brian, what do you have for lunch?
A burrito.
There you have it, a burrito. Here I am back at my host family's apartment. We just finished a delicious dinner of beans, rice, and steak empanadas. Having a host family is really great because it's a great opportunity to practice your Spanish in a very casual setting. I'm about to head to bed, but before I do, I want to show you what Quito looks like at night. Let's go. Good night, Quito.